So, as an alternative way to cut up your rotisserie chicken, never tried it before, but I think it'll work. Just gotta open it. This is freshly bought, so it's still warm. I think that's the only way this will work. Freezer bag. This chicken is gonna go entirely inside. It's a little tricky. Remember to take the string off. Okay, that should do it. So now what you want to do is close this. Still a little messy. Now obviously there's going to be times when you want like the leg, like I like the leg with the drumstick. This should allow you to separate everything without doing it piece by piece. Alright, here we go. Wow, look at that. Now what you're doing is you're separating it from the outside of the bag. And now you can pull out the stuff that you're not gonna eat, like the bones. And I'm gonna put the bones already in a pot. See how easy that comes off? I mean, I realize it's getting messy, but it's okay. Get those drumsticks off. I think I did it. No more bones in here. Oh, there's one left. And you see that took about like less than probably 60 seconds. That's it. So now you have a bag that's ready for you to pick through during the week. You know, do whatever you want with it. It's pretty much boneless. That's it.